Okay, this is gonna be a part 1 of 4 of me fixing all of my previous broken phones, starting with this one, my Google Pixel 2. This is what I had been using to film my videos until it broke. Yeah, and I mentioned this in a different video, but I have some footage from me doing some benchmarks on the server on this phone that I haven't backed up. This is gonna be a little janky. I do not have a heat gun currently. So if I do end up needing one, I will have to wait until tomorrow. So hopefully I don't need one and I can just finesse this open. Oh, this screen is not on very well. I don't know if I should consider that a good thing or a bad thing. I almost forgot to take out the SIM card. Oh, I could have been a bit bad. Oh yeah, wire from Arduino kit. Might end up needing to borrow the heat gun anyways, because this adhesive is already so loose. Even if I can get the screen off just fine without a heat gun, I think I might need the heat gun to secure this new screen on, secure it into place. Because unlike some other phones, the only thing holding this screen in place is adhesive, unfortunately. So that also means that, hypothetically speaking, if this just got too hot and you applied pressure up from it, the screen could just pop out. There we go. Oh wait, that's a Philips. This is the Torx that they gave. This isn't quite Torx, but this is straight up just too small. That is unfortunate. There we go. Oh right, yeah, that's it. Since I'm not, I have replaced the rear camera on this, and that requires you to get quite into this. But I forgot, since this is just a screen replacement, that's all the disassembly I have to do. Oh, I don't like that. There's a staple within the bag this new screen came in. Oh, new adhesive. Not bad. Okay. This already comes with adhesive. So that means I have to take off the already existing adhesive for here and here. If I got some isopropyl alcohol, this would come off real easily. Yeah, that should be good enough. I'll get rid of some of the stuff on the bottom now. Alright, I'll take off all the plastic bits. I didn't want to have to take off the protection for the adhesive after I did the connection for the screen. There we go, it's in. I'm gonna put this down. This one's actually slightly too small. This one. Yeah, this one is perfect. Wow. Okay, that's in there good. And I'll peel this off now. Just so I can have everything lined up. Yeah, you can see in some places there's a bit of a gap. And the screen bounces up and down a little bit. I don't like that. I won't be able to heat up the adhesive since I don't have a heat gun or anything. But I guess that can wait until later. But I guess we'll see if this has charge. I guess not. Oh, you know what? I'll take the portable charger from my current phone that I'm using to record this video. Put it in here. Oh, that's indication LED. That's not directly on the... Oh! We got screen. Can I boot it up from here? Oh, wow. This replacement might actually be OLED. What? I didn't expect that. Oh yeah, this thing's OLED. What? Nice. You can see 0% charge on here. Alright. It's actually... Oh. Immediately shuts down. Okay. Yeah. The battery in this is good. I replaced it right before the screen broke. So yeah. This phone works. And I think this one will become my primary camera again for my channel. Mostly because the battery on my Pixel 5, this one, is not that good. It doesn't last that long. And that's not because the Pixel 5 has bad battery or anything, but I got this phone used and the battery was quite used as well. So I guess I'll do a replacement on that in the future, but it works for now, so